Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install Ristretto application on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, Ristretto is an application that can be used to view and scroll through the images. It can be used to run a slideshow of images, open images with the other application like an image editor, or configure an image as a desktop wallpaper. Before we have to install the application, we need to update the system repository using the following command. Then hit enter. The system repository being updated now. After updating the system repository, we can install a Ristretto application using the following command. Then hit enter. The application is installing now. The installation has been completed successfully. Now we have to open Ubuntu menu, and then here we have to search Ristretto. The application is shown on the screen. Please click here to open. The application is open now. Now I'm going to open an image file using a Ristretto image viewer, and then here I have to choose the file. Here we can see the image file. After choosing the file, we have to click open. The image is open now, and then here we can see the lots of customized configuration to making a Ristretto application. And then if you want to know the version of Ristretto application, please click here, and then here we have to choose about, and then here we can see the version of Ristretto application. This is a way to install a Ristretto application on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. If you want to further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.